A new year doesn't change your life, but a new decision can. 2026 is here, and this year isn't about resolutions. It's about rebuilding, not fixing small things, not pretending everything is fine, rebuilding from the ground up. Bill Gates once stood at the beginning of his journey with no guarantees, no applause, and no safety net. He didn't start with success. He started with clarity, and that's where rebuilding always begins. Clarity about what's not working. Clarity about who you've become, and clarity about who you must leave behind. Rebuilding yourself means being honest. Honest about wasted time. Honest about broken habits. Honest about excuses you've been protecting. Bill Gates understood early that talent without direction leads nowhere. He didn't try to do everything. He focused. While others chased comfort, he chased mastery. Rebuilding in 2026 means choosing focus over distraction. You don't need a new life. You need a new system. A system for how you wake up. A system for how you work. A system for how you think when things get hard. Bill Gates didn't rely on motivation. He relied on structure. Late nights, daily repetition, unseen effort. That's how real change happens. Rebuilding also means letting go. Letting go of people who keep you small. Letting go of habits that steal your future. Letting go of the version of you that was comfortable but stuck. Growth is painful, but staying the same is even more painful. When Bill Gates left Harvard, the world didn't celebrate. People questioned him. They doubted him. They compared him. But rebuilding requires courage. The courage to look foolish today for a future others can't yet imagine. 2026 doesn't care about your past. It doesn't care how many times you failed. It doesn't care how long you've been stuck. All it asks is one thing. Are you willing to start again properly? Rebuilding means showing up even when no one is watching. It means working when motivation disappears. It means staying disciplined when results are invisible. Bill Gates didn't build Microsoft in a year. He built habits first. Consistency turned effort into progress. Progress turned into momentum. Momentum turned into success. This year, stop waiting for confidence. Confidence is built by action. One focused hour a day can rebuild your life in a year. One hard decision can change your entire direction. Rebuild your mindset. Rebuild your discipline. Rebuild your standards. Not tomorrow. Not next month, now. Because 1 year from today, you'll either thank yourself or regret that you didn't start. 2026 is not a reset. It's a rebuild, and this time, do it properly.